Successful people in life have a routine. They have a ritual that they always do, and this ritual helps them to become successful. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is MAKIA FOREX, and on this channel we talk about forex trading, analysis, market breakdown, and we talk about a lot of things related to the forex industry. So on this video I want to give you guys a rundown of my daily routines. You know, successful people in life have a routine. They have a ritual that they always do, and this ritual helps them to become successful. They are trying to differentiate themselves from the vast majority of people, if you know what I'm saying. So I don't think I have to explain to you people this thing, but let me give you guys a rundown of my routine as a forex trader. So for me, the first thing, when I wake up in the morning, I get up at 5 a.m. My alarm is always on at 5 a.m. At 5 a.m. the first thing I do, I pray. When I pray, I'll read my Bible, I'll do some meditation like that, you know, then I'll kind of brush up, you know, get myself ready and motivated for the day. The next thing I do is that I'll read my goals. You know, for you to become successful in this life, you need to set goals, you need to set action plan, and you need to always have a vision board, the things that you want to do. So I always have my goals. I have to read my goals every single day. I have my yearly goals, I have my monthly goals, and I have my weekly goals. I also have my daily goals. In forex trading, I have my daily goals, weekly goals, and monthly goals, because I always have a target which I want to reach every single month as a forex trader. So after reading my goals, I meditate. Meditation is very important as a forex trader because there are always negative noises, you know, negative vibes, negative news, negative energy popping up into your brain, and you need to be able to control your mind, because trading is about your mind. And if you're entering into the market with the wrong mindset, it's gonna mess you up in your trading. Okay, because there's a lot of things that you have to handle mentally, like fear and greed, and every single day we have to handle fear and greed as a forex trader. So we need a moment to meditate, to focus yourself and put your mind on the things that are necessary. The next thing is motivation. Motivation is very important because, you know, sometimes we wake up with a bad mood, if you know what I'm saying. You have good mood, you may get up with a bad mood, but you have to motivate yourself. You have to push yourself out of that bad mood and, you know, kill the day like we always do it in the forex market. So guys, these are the things I do before going to my computer and opening my charts. Now let me tell you what I will do when I'm already on my computer. When I'm on my computer, the first thing I do is that I'll open my charts, I'll review my previous trades, that's the trades of yesterday. Sometimes I have overnight positions where I'll trade overnight, even though I'm a day trader, but sometimes I may be, let's say I may catch a good move when it's already late, but I'll still take the move because of my trading plan. Move may cross into the next day and I'll have to sleep, wake up in the morning and check what happened. The next thing I'll do is that I'll do my analysis. I mostly do my analysis in the 4-hour time frame, but I'll also have to start looking from the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, and the 4-hour time frame. So when I do the 4-hour time frame, it's because I'm a day trader, so I mostly do my analysis in the 4-hour time frame. But now, because I'm a day trader, I will do my setups in the 1-hour time frame. My entries will be in the 50 minutes time frame. So the next thing I'll do is that I'll place my setups, I'll put my targets, all these kind of things, right, where I'll enter the market or exit the market, and I'll wait for price to go and hit my target. You know, guys know very well, trading is about patience. You have to learn to be patient, and you may have days where you don't have a good setup. You have to just let that day go by, but patience is very important in forex trading. So I'll wait for my setup, and if price goes and hit my setup, I will execute my trade no matter what happens. Now I don't care if it goes in a loss or it goes in profit. I have to execute my trades because of my trading plan. Your trading plan, everything like your risk to reward ratio is also there, your entry and exit is also there, all this kind of things. So it's very important because your strategy is, everything is in your trading plan, and without your trading plan you can't properly trade forex. So that's probably my routine for forex trading. I always make sure that I follow my routine, and I try to make sure that I'm not distracted during my trading hours, because if I'm distracted during my trading hours, it will affect me in I may find myself in losses, or I may be, let's say, inconfident. I may leave my positions very early instead of allowing it to hit my take profit. I may decide to take profit early. and it's kind of gonna mess up my trading at the end of the day. So it's always good that when you're trading, try to be in a comfortable place where you will not be distracted. If I'm trading with my group on Telegram, where I do share my signals and chat with some people on trading. So I always try to be focused whenever I'm trading. So those are the things that I do, and that's how my trading routine goes. So with that said, what is your trading routine? Leave it down in the comment section, and also if you like this content, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and we're gonna see you guys in the next video. God bless you. Bye.